Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. Today in this video we are going to study some important cell organelles like lysosomes, ribosomes and vacuoles. In my earlier video we have already learnt about endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, right? Let us start this video. Firstly, we will learn about lysosomes. These are the important cell organelles which are very helpful for a cell to function properly, right? So, while defining what are lysosomes, lysosomes are organelles in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells which contain some degradative enzymes which are enclosed in a membrane. So, here lysosome has a covering of membrane and enzymes and transport proteins. Lysosomes, when they were first undiscovered, one of the facts that troubled the scientists for a long time was that certain enzymes which were present in the cell has the ability to destroy almost all the structures in the cell, but they didn't damage it. So why this happened? There was a doubt among the scientists about the lysosomes, but when they got discovered, then scientists they got an idea about this. So their puzzle was solved when lysosomes were discovered as tiny particles visible in the cytoplasm. It was found that they contained the destructive enzymes. These enzymes normally they do not come in contact with the rest of the cell. The materials that need to be destroyed are transported to the lysosomes. Then the lysosomes get them digested at times, and the lysosomes they burst and the enzymes are released to digest the cell. Hence, because of this property, they are known as suicidal bags of the cell. Got it? Let us study the functions of lysosomes. As we all know, lysosome is a membrane bound cell organelle. So, it contains digestive enzymes. Because of this property, it is involved in various cell processes. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. They may be used even to destroy invading viruses and even the bacteria which are very infectious for a cell. Okay, these are the functions. Now in the above image which you can see here, in a cell how lysosome is constituting. So here single wall membrane is present as a covering. Okay, these are the cell parts which are found usually. Now we have already studied about lysosomes. Now let us start what is ribosome. Okay, so ribosomes they are found in eukaryotic and even the prokaryotic cells. As you can see, there is a highlight of ribosomes in yellow color which are found in both eukaryotes and prokaryotes. So while defining ribosomes, ribosomes are minute particles which are constituting RNA and associated proteins and are found in large number in the cytoplasm of living cells. They even bind with other RNAs. Okay, what are ribosomes? As we think, ribosomes are small granule-like structures in the cytoplasm of the cell. They are called ribosomes and they are formed of RNA and even the proteins. We all know this fact, right? Now, they are divided into two types which we are going to study now. What are these? They are, first one is free ribosomes. Free ribosomes are scattered in cytoplasm, whereas if we study attached ribosomes, which is the second type, these are found on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. As we have studied in the endoplasmic reticulum, rough one, it contained ribosomes. And if we talk about function, they are the site for protein synthesis. Got it? Now, in this slide, you can see bound ribosomes and free ribosomes. So, they contained RNA and proteins. Ribosomes, they usually constitute this and are important and have a very vital role. Got it? Now, as you all are familiar with the cell parts and even the cell organelles, now we are going to study about vacuole. As you can see here in this slide, the above blue colored structure which is present in the cell is nothing but vacuole. So, vacuole is defined as a space or vesicle within the cytoplasm of a cell which is enclosed by a membrane and typically it contains fluid. Now let us observe vacuole with an activity. So for this, take the leaf or stem of any succulent plant. For example, let us take stem of cactus. Take thin cross section of stem of cactus in a watch glass which contains water. Strain it with dilute safranin solution and observe under low and high power. Now we get an idea about what is vacuole with this activity. What are vacuoles? Vacuoles are defined as the large empty spaces present in the cells. Okay? These are fluid filled sac like structures. If we see in animal cells, vacuoles are small in size, whereas in plant cells, they are large in size. In mature plant cells, if we observe, they might occupy almost the entire cell space. And if we see the functions of vacuole, vacuoles maintain turgor pressure within the cell. They export unwanted substances from the cells. And now let us see some other functions like the vacuole is the storage structure in a cell. It can hold food for later use or even the waste for the removal of that. Okay. So till now we have covered these three important cell organelles. I hope you understand this and till now you have got an idea about this. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it meaningful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get all my latest updates. Thank you so much.